stud here. I'm going to use these because I think it's going to be very helpful. Here, yep. If you screw this stud in to where so it's just showing that there will be I will be able now to put that manifold, laying it on top, and it will lay right over to the top of this rounded off stud with this screw, flathead screw. So when it's finally in place, and I got several bolts in that it's in place, then I'll just drop my screwdriver in one of these holes, and I will just unscrew it out. It will be far enough to where that's the key, is to making these long enough